Original.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have today some shrimp. I'm gonna do some curried shrimp. Yep. These are my seasonings that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna pour in some of my onion powder, a little of my garlic powder, my Norton season, and guys, remember, it's shrimp, and to the amount that I have, I don't want to use a lot. I'm just using a small amount. So I'm gonna pour some of my Old Bay. That's what I'm pouring here. A little black pepper and a little pepper seed to give it some spice. So I'm gonna use a spoon and combine these ingredients, these season into my shrimp, like so. Want to make sure the season, all the pieces of shrimp get some of the season on them. I'm gonna use my plastic wrap. Plastic wrap it. We're gonna lay this aside for about, say, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I have here some oil. I've been already heated in my frying pan here. I'm gonna pour some curry powder in my oil. Burn the curry, as we Jamaican would say. Yup. No belly running around here. Burn the curry in the oil. Okay, then we're gonna put some garlic, which I've chopped fine. And I put the garlic first, guys, because I want to get the flavor, you know, the garlic in the oil with the curry, you know. If you could smell this, guys, the aroma with the curry and the garlic. Pour in the rest of my season, guys. I have some chopped season, carrot, sweet pepper, and onion, and a little scallion. I'm pouring these into my pot here, and just combine all of these seasoning together. Stir up that, stir them together. Look how wonderful and colorful this look. Telling from this that our curried shrimp is gonna be a boom. I have some coconut milk, tin coconut milk. I'm gonna pour in my bowl. Guys, you can use whatever coconut milk you have. If you want to grate your coconut and juice it, that's fine. I'm gonna pour in a small amount of ketchup. We're gonna combine these two ingredients together. Stir it up together, stir it up together. And this is what I'm gonna pour it in my pot here, the seasoning and the curry, and stir that together. Yes, yes. I use a bigger spoon and stir those seasoning and the coconut milk. Want to stir this together, and yeah. I'm gonna cover my pot and I'll leave this for about 10 minutes. Yes, guys, look at the pot bubbling. Look. My God. Yes, you want to smell this whole kitchen. Flavorful and colorful. Leave that for about 5 more minutes. Turn my flame down to medium. Okay, guys, at this point I'm gonna check. Yes, this is ready for my shrimp. So I'm gonna pour my shrimp now. Pour in my shrimp. And stir everything together. Look how colorful. Yeah! Yes, honey. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Yeah, no more singing. So we're gonna leave that for another 15 minutes or so. Voila! Guys, look at this. This dish is, trust me, look at my shrimp, very colorful. I have plated it with rice, a little rice, and some tossed vegetable on the side. And earlier I did a little baking of some chocolate cake, which I'm gonna eat for dessert. Yum, yum, yum. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. My curry shrimp, yes, looking so delicious and nice here. And tell me if you're gonna try it. Comment below and let me know how you do your curry shrimp. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like this video, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend about the original latte. Bye.